Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are checking out a brand new community here in Henderson. And for today's tour, we're going to be checking out a community in Enclave at Cadence by Lennar Homes. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan Vera. And we are in the community of Preston Enclave at Cadence. And this one has 2-bedroom downstairs. That also includes a primary bedroom. So if you're looking for a home with that primary bedroom downstairs, definitely recommend watching this tour. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that notification bell. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, for today's tour, we are in the community of Preston Enclave at Cadence in Henderson, and these homes are built by Lennar Homes. For today's tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan Vera. There is another floor plan available, but once I have that property tour uploaded, you will see it on the top right-hand screen. So this one right here is floor plan Vera, and let me give you the details for this one. Pull out my little cheat sheet for you guys so I don't forget and give you guys the correct info. So Plan Vera, this is a 5-bedroom. So this one has the 2 bedrooms like I mentioned downstairs. So it has a regular bedroom suite plus your primary bedroom. So for total 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It is 3,475 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for this one, guys, is $699,990. HOA here is $103 a month. It is a non-gated community. There is a total of 3 different floor plans, only 2 models here for this Enclave community. Also, really quick, guys, let me show you. Look at, there's 2 other communities here as well. Total 3 communities just here in this court. So you got Crest, and then you got Therese right there as well. I did tours already on those, so if you want to check them out, just look into my videos and you'll find them. Now, also, let me see what other information. Really quick, guys, there is quick move-in ready for this one, which includes already lot premiums and your upgrades. And that one's priced at $725,151. Just to give you an idea, because the price I give you is $699,990. That is just the base price, guys. So it doesn't include your lot premiums or any upgrades. So here at Lennar, they are a spec builder. They're going to pick the upgrades and start building in advance. Or you could also have the option to build from the ground up and you pick your options. And I would add about 5 to 8% on top of that base price, just to give you a rough idea, guys. It just, at the end of the day, guys, it depends what options you go with. So let's get started. So you're going to have pavers for your driveway. There's a 2-car garage. Definitely do love how it has those stones. Really nice. I like how it has these pavers step up here, at least for this model. Depending on probably how your lot is situated, you might have these steps, might not, just depends. I don't know. So I do like how the 8-foot French doors on the front entrance. Here's the floor plan Vera right there. All right. So as soon as we come in, we're greeted with the nice AC blasting in my face, which I love. So here you're gonna have the 9-foot ceilings. This one has the tile flooring. And straight ahead, you're gonna have your living area, dining, kitchen. But before we do that, guys, I want to show you here off to the left first. So this is gonna be you're gonna have a bedroom suite here downstairs. So this is perfect for guests. Maybe you have your parents, whoever. But this is, I think this is, especially if you have older parents, guys. I get clients that be like, hey, remember I have my older parents. I love a 2-story, but I'm going up and down the stairs. This is perfect, guys. Because look, you have the bedroom right here. Obviously stays like an office. And then right over here, you have a full bath, single vanity, toilet, stand-up shower, which is awesome. Then right over here, you have walk-in closet. And you also have And I guess you can use that for linen storage for whatever, but you have some cabinets right there. So pretty cool. Obviously the door will go right here, but yeah, this is perfect for, I guess you have guests, maybe you have kids that want their own privacy, their own full bath, who knows, right? Many reasons, so everybody has their reasons. And you still have right across the way, you still have your powder room. So guests are gonna be using this bathroom, or even you're staying here. That way you don't have to walk into that bedroom. So pretty cool. That's what we just came in through right now. This door right here off to the right is gonna be to 2-car garage. It's locked, we're not gonna be checking it out. Then right here, you have a coat closet, also storage closet. Watch right ahead to show you, plenty of storage. Cool. Oh, see, watch ahead, I just bumped my head. So here's your kitchen, dining, and living room, guys. Look how big this space is. Man, this is absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think, guys? What are your first initial thoughts? Definitely love to hear in the comments below. Let's start off with this kitchen, guys. I know I mentioned, guys, the upgrades, guys. So here with Lennar, guys, depends on the models, right? There's certain features throughout the house that you could change, but honestly, not much. What mostly is going to cost, you could change your flooring, countertops, backsplash, and cabinets. Everything else, guys, is going to be standard with your home purchase. And we'll see some cabinets here throughout the home. Those are going to be optional as well. But I'll mention those as we go through this tour. So here we have this nice quartz island, seats about 4 people. Then you also have your stainless steel undermount sink with the osmosis system right here. So you're gonna have a basic filtration system that they give you when you purchase your home. And if you wish to upgrade, that's completely up to you. Refrigerator, stove, microwave included with your home purchase. What's not gonna be included is gonna be washer and dryer, guys. And I believe the blinds as well, not included. But have an awesome realtor on your side, guys, to negotiate that. So I always recommend have somebody outside from the builder to negotiate those things, because I mean, you could go direct with the builder, but there's some things that they might not mention, because at the end of the day, guys, think about it. Who do they work for, guys? Builder. So have your own representation. Why not? So microwave, stove, then right over here, you got this nice walk-in pantry. Look at this. Ooh, nice. So I don't know if I mentioned, but you do have your dishwasher right there. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but looks like here on the other side, you have some storage too. Pretty cool. So you still have storage here on this other side of this island. Love that. Then in between, guys, is going to be your dining area. Okay. Now let's go check out this enormous living room space. I mean, look how far. You got the TV there, and look how far the couches are. I mean, you could almost probably move the couches closer to be closer to the TV, or maybe have a big TV, 85-inch. I don't know how big does it get, but I'm sure it's bigger than 85-inch. But typically, that's the big ones I see at the store. Man, this is huge. Like, me, just like kind of coming right here. Let me see. Let me sit down and watch a game. Yeah, definitely that TV is too small for me. I would definitely want a huge TV, in my opinion, or maybe even scoot up these couches. Depends how you stage it, right? Definitely could get creative with a lot of this huge space. I mean, you could probably push these up and have something behind it. I don't know. Just trying to think outside the box, guys. Let me know how you guys would do it. Then right over here, I don't have access to the backyard, unfortunately, guys. So I'm gonna do my best to show you from here. I'll have some drone shots too that I'll throw on as a layover so you can see this backyard from the drone. But here it is, guys. Look at covered patio. I want to make sure I mention this, guys. You're not going to get this landscaping. You're just going to get a clean slate when you buy a new construction home. Obviously, this is just a model. So, it's for modeling purposes, guys. One thing you're going to get, guys, is just going to be the pavers underneath your covered patio. Beyond that, just dirt. And you typically have 12 months to complete your backyard per the HOA. So now I know I mentioned you got the primary bedroom downstairs. Let's check it out. So you don't have to wait till the end to see the primary. You actually get to see it first. So straight ahead is the bedroom. Let me show you here this bathroom, guys, first before we kind of focus on that. Look at this. Look at your primary bathroom. Really nice. Dual vanity, nice and spacious. You got the combination tub and stand-up shower. You also have your own hookup for a washer and a stackable dryer. Pretty awesome. So technically, you can do your own laundry here and go straight into your closet and don't have to go upstairs, because there is another laundry room upstairs. So you don't have to go up there, which is, I like that feature, to be honest, because sometimes it's like, yeah, sometimes they'll put the laundry room downstairs and now everybody upstairs has to come down and do laundry. So this is not the case for this floor plan, which is smart that they thought of that in advance. So I like that. So, I mean, I don't have to say much, guys. Look how big this primary closet is. I guess for me, guys, I know we all have our different opinions on what's big. To me, that's more than enough space. And right over here is the primary bedroom. Really big as well. Love it. King size bed, oversized nightstands. Got 3 windows here in this bedroom, letting in that natural sunlight. And like I always say in my videos, guys, you know, as I show you this primary, they just started building here, guys. So typically what we see with new builders, guys, with builders, is the first phase of construction is always going to be the cheapest, guys. Each phase they start building more and more, guys. What do you think happens, guys? It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out, but they start increasing the price. At the end of the day, guys, it's not to sell you nothing. It's to give you that information that if you really want to get the community in this community, I would just jump on it now rather than later, because you're gonna end up paying more, guys. At the end of the day. As we walk upstairs, guys, if you guys are enjoying this tour, do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Also, really quick, guys, I know I probably repeat this in every video, guys, and who knows, maybe this is your first time watching my channel, and I think this is very important, guys. So if you are interested in a new build home and you would like to have your own outside representation away from the builder, maybe you want an agent like myself, which I hope so, or maybe you already have your agent you trust, which is completely fine still. If you are going to come check out these new build, guys, it's very important that we come with you on the first visit, guys. Because if we don't, the builder is not going to allow us to represent you. And how we asked Romero, why is it important to have your own outside representation? Well, think about this, guys. When you come to a new build, the agents here are awesome. Don't get me wrong, builders, agents. But at the end of the day, who do they work for? So if you think about it, why not have your own outside representation? Have somebody on your side versus kind of in the middle, you know? So that's what's important. We could definitely, you know, negotiate you good price, review the contract, negotiate closing cost, rate buy downs, and options like this, guys. Washer and dryer. See this? Possibly negotiate that stuff for you. So I'll have my contact info in the description below, so don't hesitate to reach out, guys. So this washer and dryer, like I just mentioned, is not included, guys. But contact me and I'll do my best to negotiate that. And also look at this stuff. You know, this is the other features that certain floor plans that Lennar have that you could, you know, it's optional. But guys, guess what? If they have a spec home ready and it has that, we could probably negotiate and say like, hey, I didn't really want that, and you guys are charging me. So those are stuff that we could possibly do, guys. Is it guaranteed all the time? No, but it's worth a shot, right? So, oh, here going in circles. So check this out, guys. You got a loft over there, got a bedroom there, but before, let's go check out this bedroom that's right over here. It's like a little maze here. This house is huge. So this is what the 4th bedroom. Because with 2 at the bottom, we just seen that 3rd one, so this is now the 4th. Pretty good size. You got your closet right there. And we go over here. Check this hallway bathroom. Nice. Dual vanity. And right over here, guys, you guys guessed it. Shower and toilet. So let me do some counting, guys. Hold up. Let me just show you this. So you got a linen closet right here. So upstairs, yeah. So we got so 3 bedrooms upstairs. You got 1, 2, 3, and then 2 downstairs. Okay, I was lost for a second. Wait a minute, I'm seeing a lot of these bedrooms because not all the time, guys, you have 2 bedrooms downstairs. It's very rare, but not in this floor plan, guys. So this is bedroom number 4 now. So I was actually wrong. That was number 3. I don't know if I said that or not, but correcting myself as I go. This is my first time walking this floor plan, guys, so my information is a little off. I'm learning about this floor plan as you guys watch this tour. Isn't that exciting? I love it. We have the same reaction as you see it, like wow or no, or who knows. So okay, so now let's look at the 5th. Hold on, is there a 5th one right there? See? Oh, okay. I was thinking, is there another bedroom over here that I'm not counting? Okay, that's just about it. Okay. So yeah, right. See? I'm learning as I go too. The 5th bedroom, guys. What y'all think? You have a closet. Cool. Now, let's go check out this enormous loft, guys. This is awesome. This is perfect for a theater room, gym, playroom, lounge, whatever you guys want to do with it. Look at this. They got this little living area over here. Let me show you from this corner how big this space is. This is huge. Definitely have to come in person. Check this out. And the camera over here. Let me show you. So now you're in the loft chilling. You have to use the bathroom, take a shower. You may do so right here. Love it. Now we saved the best for last, guys. So luckily we do have access to this balcony. So let me show you. I do wish I'm at the point where I think it was covered, but it's not. Can't have the best of all worlds at times, right? Check this out, guys. Look how big this is. I mean, you're watching a game, you get frustrated because your team's not winning. Come out here and get some fresh air. Trust me. I say because of experience. I'm a Cowboy fan, and sometimes I just have to go outside and get air because my team seems to frustrate me most of the time. But here it is. This is awesome. I mean, I would say it's probably about 18 feet maybe from here, from there, and then wide probably about 8 feet or so, give or take. Don't hold me to it, but just giving you a rough idea. Don't have my tape measure. Well, there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this floor plan. Definitely a big house, in my opinion. If you have a big family, or maybe it's you by yourself, just want to rent a bunch of rooms. I don't know. People have their reasons. This is a nice option. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you want to come schedule a tour for this floor plan, or check out this community, or even resell homes or looking to sell, I'll have my contact info in the description below. We'll definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be part of your process, guys. If you're looking to buy or sell, definitely love to be your agent of choice. So contact info in the description below. Like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this property tour, do me a huge favor. Like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we upload tours as beautiful as this home, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.